Happy Tuesday. We're going to start with our rhyme recognition. I'm going to say the two words that rhyme and you repeat after me. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Made, they. No, they don't rhyme. Pat, no. Another thumbs down. Fast, cast. Fast cast rhyme. You now. No. Thumbs down. Read seed. Give me a thumbs up for that one. Onset fluency. That means we're doing the beginning sounds. I will say them and say the beginning sound. You repeat after me. As, after, a. Roll, rake, baby, bow, b. Down, did, d. If, it, I. Okay, good job. Now we're going to blend our phonemes. Remember, phonemes are the parts of the word. M, a, may. Your turn. T, e, t. N, e, ni. B, o, bow. M, I, my. Okay. We're going to isolate the medial sound, which is the middle sound, okay? M, an, a, s, et, e, r, it, I, d, all, a, k, t, a. Very good. Okay, we're going to segment the phonemes. That means get your choppers out. We're going to break it up. Me, m, e. Your turn. Go, g, o. Pay, p, a. He, h, e. So, s, o. Okay, very good. Now we're going to add a phoneme. I think we're adding to the beginning part. So we're already going to know the ending. The ending is E. Add B to the beginning to make B, E, B. I always like to demonstrate the first one. Okay, the next phoneme is A. Add O to the beginning to make lay. U. Add to the beginning to make moo. Now we have O. Add t to the beginning to make toe. And last we have I. Add O to the beginning to make lie. All right, now we're going to delete the phoneme. We're going to take part of the sound away, part of the word. We have the word see without s. What's left? E. We have the word no without n. What's left? O. We have the word by without b. What's left? I. We have the word to without t. What's left? U. We have the word say without s. What's left? A. Good job. Okay, substituting phonemes. That means we take part of the word away and change it into another part. We have the word be change B to S. And the word is see. We have the word see change S to H. And the word is he. We have the word he change H to M. And the word is me. We have the word me change M to W. And the word is we. We have the word we change W to B. And the word is be. Very good. Okay, and I don't know if you remember, but we had a new nursery rhyme this week. I'll say it. You repeat after me. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. And we'll learn more of that later on. I'll see you tomorrow.